You work hard, you get paid, and then a big part of your money disappears. That's tax. You see it, you feel it every single month. But here's something strange. Some of the biggest companies in the world pay almost nothing in tax. Same country, same laws, very different tax bills. How is that possible? Are they cheating, or is something else going on? Let's start simple. Taxes exist to pay for things we all use: roads, schools, hospitals. Think of it like a shared pot. Everyone puts a little money in, and everyone benefits. People pay tax. Small businesses pay tax. So naturally, you might think big companies should pay even more. And in theory, yes, but governments also want companies to grow. They want factories, they want jobs, they want investment. So governments create rules, special rules. Rules that say, if you invest more, you pay less tax. This is where things get interesting. Big companies read these rules very carefully. They don't break the law, they follow it very precisely. When a company earns money, it doesn't always keep that money in one place. Instead, the money moves across companies, across countries, not in suitcases, on paper. Imagine a world map. Money can travel faster than people. Some countries charge very low tax, some charge almost none, so profits quietly move there. This is done using subsidiaries, companies owned by other companies. Money flows through them like water through pipes. By the time tax is calculated, very little profit is left to tax. Same business, same profit, different result. And on paper, everything is legal. Every step follows rules written by governments themselves. That's why companies say, we did nothing wrong. So why would governments allow this? Because they want investment. A new factory means jobs. Jobs mean economic growth. Growth means votes. So governments offer tax discounts, especially for research, technology, innovation. The idea is simple. Less tax today for more growth tomorrow. It's a trade-off. Short-term tax money versus long-term growth. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And that's the real debate. Some people say this system is unfair. Others say it's necessary. Companies say, we followed the rules. Governments say, we wrote the rules. So who is really responsible? The truth is, it's complicated. This isn't about good or evil. It's about incentives. If you want companies to behave differently, the rules have to change. And now you know how paying 0% tax can be completely legal.